People, thanks for your time. There comes a time in the life of a startup when it's time to grow. When that time comes for your startup or your startup, you may want to have my number. Some people refer to me as a rainmaker. Others refer to me as a Inyanga. Others call me a Sangoma. Some prefer to call me a bridge builder. I'm that guy that people call when that table wants to do business with that table on a serious level. I'm talking a guy that creates bridges of worth where a transfer of skills, a transfer of products, and a transfer where there's a synergy will happen. I used to be a sales guy in my other life, but now I've evolved. I'm a bridge builder. You see, the thing about selling is that you have to wake up tomorrow morning and sell again. I don't do that. That's for the sales team. I set up a bridge where for the next 10 years, you can project your income. They can project their supply and demand. That's what I do. I've got 4 active projects at the moment. One is in the taxi industry. It's crazy. It's crazy. We're putting together a project that will roll out the first ever insurance product for the entire taxi industry. I'm in Ghana. I'm negotiating on behalf of a 150-year-old company from Germany. I'm representing them to create a marriage where they can project their next 5 years of dollars from Ghana. They're in South Africa. The last one, I've got a business center that is entering a marriage of convenience with F&B. I'm building the bridge. The first call came through today. The first client. The tap is opening. Worth is exchanging hands. And you may want to have my number. Thank you.